Hey friends, just wanted to show you real quick two of my games that are included in the Christmas Decimal and Present digital product. First one is Dashing Through Decimals, and you can see that I have two options right here. If you or your students have a printer available, it's a good idea, or I like to print the work mat out. There's a page that has every single problem that is included in the game. That way they have space to work on it. If they accidentally get off track, they can come back here. And also too, if you're using it in the classroom, you can use it to show, your students can use it to show their work. So I always like to try to print this out for my students if I'm using it in class. If you're using it with distance learning, you can include it. If students have a printer, they can print it. If not, they can always write the problem on scratch paper. So whatever works for you and your students. First thing that's important is that your students need to be in present mode in order for the game to work. So we're going to click present mode, brings it up like a slideshow. And we're going to start at the home. And they're going to solve the problems. They're going to write their answers on the answer sheet or a piece of scratch paper. And then once they have the answer, they can click to see if they have the correct one. So the way this one is set up is there's 4 problems on the page. They don't have to click directly on the light bulb to see the answer. They can actually click anywhere on the screen. I actually like to have my students do all 4 problems because I often use the work mat. And then they can go through, and as they click, the answers are shown. And then they can either go back and rework it, or if you'd rather them just correct it, yes or no that they got it right. When they're ready, they can hit the next button, and they'll automatically be taken to the next screen. You can also do it one at a time. 4.6 times 0.05, they complete that problem. They want to see the answer. They can click anywhere on the screen. They can go all the way through. There's 28 problems. And when they get to the end, they get a little congratulations from Santa, and then they can click the home screen and they're right back. So that one's kind of a fun one. I like that one. The next one is called Stuffing Stockings. And again, it also has a printable work mat with all the percent problems written right on it, so your students have a place to work. Again, use it if it works for you. This game's a little bit different. It is a multiple choice, but they do have to play this in present mode. Once they're ready to start, they're going to solve the problems, write the answer on the answer sheet or a scratch piece of paper. They're going to click Start. And what is 45% of 32? And let's say that I think it's 144. When they click the answer, oh, it's not right. So they click back to the problem to try it again. Then let's say they want 144. Oh, incorrect. 14.4. Yes. When they do get the correct answer, then they can click on Next Problem and they can go through this again. Let's see. Get it right, go straight to the next problem there. 6% of what number is 288? Let's say 48. Oh, got it right. They'll continue through this. If at any time they want to stop or they need to go home, they can just click on the home screen. If they do want to go to the next slide, it takes them through all the problems. So if they want to skip problems, maybe they're confused, they can skip through it. At the end, I should go back to the present mode. At the end, there are 30 problems. And finally, at the end, they get their congratulations. And then they can go home. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can either ask me through the Q&A on TPT, or you can always email me at teachwithtina@gmail.com. Thanks.